Welcome to our training on mastering intonation for effective teaching. Intonation, the rise and fall of pitch in speech, plays a crucial role in how we convey meaning and emotion. In this video, we'll explore how understanding intonation can enhance your communication skills. By the end, you'll be equipped to engage your students more effectively. Let's get started on this journey to clearer and more dynamic academic communication. Intonation refers to the rise and fall of pitch in spoken language. It affects how listeners interpret meaning and emotion in your speech. By conveying emphasis, mood, and intent, intonation adds nuance and clarity to communication. For example, a rising tone in "you're coming to the meeting" indicates a question. In contrast, a falling tone in "you're coming to the meeting" signals confirmation. In academic settings, intonation is essential for clear communication. It guides students' understanding and highlights important information. Effective intonation can also convey enthusiasm and confidence. This makes lectures more engaging and helps maintain student interest. Mastering intonation is key to successful teaching. Rising intonation at the end of a sentence typically signals a question. For example, "Is this answer correct?" uses rising intonation to indicate a query. This pattern helps students recognize when a question is being asked. It can also encourage participation and interaction. Using rising tones effectively can enhance classroom engagement. Falling intonation at the end of a sentence indicates a statement or conclusion. Consider the sentence, "The experiment was successful." The falling tone conveys certainty and finality. This is helpful when delivering key points or summarizing information. Using falling intonation effectively can reinforce important concepts. It aids in clear and confident communication. Intonation can be used to emphasize specific words or phrases. This helps draw attention to important concepts. For example, "the main point here is" uses a slight rise and fall on main to stress its importance. Emphasizing key terms can make your speech more impactful. It ensures that critical information is not overlooked. Intonation can signal a contrast or correction by emphasizing certain words. For example, "We're discussing till I may change, not whether." This use of intonation clarifies distinctions in academic content. It helps prevent misunderstandings and ensures accurate communication. Mastering this technique can enhance your teaching effectiveness. It aids in delivering precise and clear messages. Intonation plays a vital role in creating clear and engaging academic communication. We encourage you to practice intonation patterns by listening to native speakers. Applying these techniques in your speech will improve your teaching. Effective intonation makes information easier to understand. It keeps students engaged and enhances their learning experience. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of intonation. We hope you found this training valuable and insightful. Continue practicing and applying these techniques to transform your teaching.